And don't forget to sign up for our giveaway from our friends over at HyperTough. They're giving away a HyperStack modular toolbox system. So make sure to check below for the link on how to sign up.
Oh, here's a TR6 here. That's really nice. It's got the overrider, so it's got to be a 73 or later. Looks like the seats have been redone at one point. So that's way too clean for a TR6, but it's still got the wood dash. It's got a nice luggage rack on it. Thanks. Don't see a whole lot of these on the streets. Right next to a little Lotus. That's neat. BMW 2002. That's clean. It's clean. There you go, Buick Grand National. That's real nice. What year is this? Grand National. And you don't normally see a lot of these, but now they're all over the place. Check out this CyberTruck. Man, this CyberTruck is really got a big old wrap on it. Let's see what else is down this row. Lots of cars down here too. Just hiding out, hanging out. These guys not want to be in the show. There's a little 914. Kind of neat. Oh, it's a clean 914. Really clean. It's very, very clean. Yeah. Wow. Mr. Dose, as Sarah and Toon calls it. I'm trying to figure out what kind of Volvo this is. It must be a really early one. It's kind of a neat Volvo. It's got a rag top on the top. That's kind of neat. Got a Volvo 240 wagon here. Just met the owner of this cool 142S. It was ordered by his great-grandfather for his grandfather's wedding, and it came with this factory rag top. And the neat thing is they actually ordered two. So one was for the grandfather, one was for the grandmother. And it was, so this two-door was for the grandfather, but there was a matching wagon that was made and ordered for the grandmother as their wedding present. So it's been passed down into the family. He was able to find it a few years ago down at a mechanics shop in Cupertino, and he went and picked it up. And so the original color was mustard, but he's had it resprayed, and that's very cool. Very cool that the car is staying in the family. He said it's never leaving the family again, so it's gonna stay as a family heirloom. Very, very cool 142S. And look at this, you got a classic right next to a very modern Tesla Model Y here. I'll check out this Audi. I wonder, S6. That's cool. It's just missing an R to make it an RS6, but that's still pretty cool. Love these late 90, early 2000 Audis. I wonder what year it is. Nice S6. Very cool. Very cool. Very nicely maintained. Looks almost stock. You got a BMW 02 in here.
It's probably running points right now. Huh? Yeah. Something to think about.
All right, check out this 02. Nice little project. Very primer and patina here. But this would be a great resto project. Looks good. Rear seats are out. I put a little bit of a Port 15 in there is what I would do. But all the trim pieces are there. So maybe 75, 76. It's It's got to be post 73. It's when they went to the big bumper and the square headlights. But I like the wheels on that. It's got all those trim pieces. That's neat. Really honest car. Honest car. Got a couple of great Audi wagons here. Look at this one. Yellow. That's great. Wanna be RS. That's okay. I think we all want to be an RS. That is nice. I like the color. Oh, that's his actual plate. Wanna be RS. That's an S4. That's cool. Oh, I didn't know there was an Audi group in Sacramento. So there's a lot of Sac Audi groups. Might have to get my TT already out and look for that group. Hey, check it out. Got a couple of matching Porsches here. This one's a coupe, and that one's a cabriolet. Kind of parked right next to each other. This is not Guards Red. It's Carmine Red. So it's slightly different color, but it's interesting to see two here side by side. You don't see a lot of Cayman reds, but this is a 911 Turbo S, and this is a Carrera GTS, so brand new. Looks like they just bought it and then drove it to the show, but very, very cool to see them side by side like this. Let's see what else. This one's got black rims, look kind of nice. Very nice cars. Let's go see what else we got over here. Fastback Mustang. Had a little work done to it though. 65 Restomod. Ford Racing crate motor. That's neat. Wow, look at all the stuff going on in there. Looks like a sequential shifter maybe? Yeah. Seats need a little work. Got a good patina on the on that, but I love the Fastback louvers here. Oh, like this BMW 3.0 CSL. That's nice. See this regularly at the show, but always very, very cool to see it. I really like this car. Oh, nice Alfa Romeo here in this red. Nice looking car. Yeah, this is my friend's 944 that he decided not to take with him when he moved out to Arizona. Had a leaking clutch. So placed that and a couple other things, and look at that paint. It looks really good. Yeah. Oh, shame it's got a bit of a crack in the windshield, but otherwise really nice car. 944S. These are starting to be highly desirable Porsches. They drive really well. So I think the values on these are going to pop pretty soon. So if you see one for a good price, you might want to grab it. Now, here's another front engine Porsche, but this one's got a V8 in it. And I always love those intake runners. It looks like a spider or an octopus. But it's a V8 928 Porsche. This was meant to take over and replace the 911 in Porsche's mind. So they designed this to be the supercar to take over the 911, and of course, as we all know, the 911 has stayed. But this is what was supposed to replace it, was the 928. And these were really expensive back in the day when they were brand new. Because again, it's supposed to be a supercar. But check out that engine. That is just the most interesting engine design with those intake runners. But a big old V8. And then you got a big old Camaro SS here. That's cool. That's very nice. Wow, nice Porsche Turbo S here. Air-cooled Turbo S in a Targa. That is nice.
Everybody make my
nice color on that. Yeah, very nice. Crazy wheels. That sounds great. That sounds really nice. Cannot beat the sound of an air-cooled Porsche. Check this out. It's a lifted Porsche Cayanne, and it looks like it's ready to go on a safari. That's cool. That's pretty cool. It looks like a pretty basic. They got a nice wrap on it. Oh, got some guys doing some crazy stuff down there. All the way from up here. Anyway, neat little lifted steering wheel. That is cool. Lifted Cayanne. Oh, check it out. This is actually a rally car, actual rally car. Blanco Racing WRX. Let's get a quick look at it real quick. Yeah, it actually looks like it. It's a carbon fiber hood. It's kind of neat. Oh, rally team. Woo. That's pretty cool. Blanco Rally Racing Team. Oh, and this McLaren's running. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Quieter than I thought it would be. That's neat. McLaren, love that color. Real neat. Heading out in his Volvo. That is so cool. Such a neat car. Yeah, we'll look forward to seeing him over at the Volvo show in Davis later this year.
If you're enjoying these videos, please consider subscribing to the channel and to the newsletter using the links below. We'll share more tool buying tips, classic car and classic motorcycle project finds, some motorsport news, and maybe a wrenching tip or two.